Alright, so hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Nat Fashion Hub, the best fashion channel in the world. Okay, so I did this video, alright, and it's on my channel, how to sew this. Okay, but we didn't finish it. Okay, I wanted to leave it like that, but I said let me just finish it. Okay, so that we will see how the whole thing we turn out. Alright, so if you want to be seeing my videos each time I drop them, hit the subscribe button, turn your notification bell on, so that whenever I drop my videos, you will be the first to be notified. Alright, so like I said, I did this video on how to alright, so I did this video, okay, on how to fix this. Alright, and it's supposed to carry this these beads, alright, but we didn't do that in our last video. I just feel I should show us everything so that we will see actually how it is and how the whole dress is now looking. Can you see? This is, sorry, I'm not blocking. You see how the whole dress is now looking. This is the finished product of that dress, okay, that we were doing in the last video. This is the finished product of it. You can see I've taken time to iron it and I've joined everything, I've hemmed everywhere. You can see how clean it is looking. It is as simple as this. Alright, so the original design, okay, it has these beads on it. So right now what I want us to do is to go ahead and fix these beads. Okay, now very important, take note. If you look at this, please watch that video. Check in my videos, you will see this video, watch it. Okay, now if you look at this, I used hemming gum. Alright, this is hemming gum. I used hemming gum to gum this part here, but with time this hemming gum normally fades with time. After some time it used to fade. So for us to prevent this from opening, I went ahead to mark. You can see I'm marking 4 inches apart, from here to here 4 inches, here to here 4 inches, here to here 4 inches, 4 inches apart, and I made a notch, okay, using my machine. You can see this notch. I made a notch using my machine, okay, so that even if the gum should fade, okay, and want to open, these notches will hold it together such that the dress wouldn't open. Okay, so we are going to fix these beads at this point like this. All right, to cover that, that's what I'm going to do. So for us to achieve this, now these beads are covering those notches. All right, the threads I notched there. Can you see this, guys? It's looking very fine. Okay, so this bead is covering that stuff. So if you didn't watch that video on how to make this, please watch it. It's very important. And some might be wondering how to get the depth of the neck such that when you finish, the head can still go through. I measured in the video, I measured 12. It was a depth of 12 we used to cut this. Okay, it was a depth of 12, and you can see our normal neck here is 4. Just watch the video, guys. That's the thumbnail for the video. That's the thumbnail for the video. Check the video in my videos, watch it, and you understand very, very well. Alright, so for us to go ahead and fix this, okay, I'm going to use my gum. Okay, this is the gum I'm using is electrical. Okay, you connect this to the socket and you fix your gum. Alright, and once it hits, you can easily, you know, let me use this so that the gum doesn't have to drop anywhere on this fabric. You have to be very careful when you are doing this, so that the gum doesn't drop anywhere on the fabric. Okay, so once the gum hits up and you press a little, it comes out. Okay, and even if you don't press, once it gets hot, it begins to come out. All right, so you can easily press it. Okay, and apply the gum. All right, then I'll press it here carefully. I'll pick the next one, apply the gum, still carefully press at the exact spot. All right, I'll pick the next one, apply the gum, right, guys. This is quite simple. You can see how the whole beauty is coming out. There's a lot of difference as to when the dress was without these beads and now that the beads have come in. There's a lot of difference. So when I'm done, I'm going to keep this on the mannequin so that we'll look at it much more better. Alright? So I'll fix this on the mannequin so that we'll see how it is looking. Right guys, now we see this. This is now looking exactly like what we have in the picture. Alright, looking the same. Now we see this. This is very classic, very classic, and we are done with this design. So guys, if you like this, please subscribe so that you see more. Right, more of this work. Okay, thank you so much. Welcome to Nat Fashion Hub. Now let me put it on mannequin so that you see. Let me put it on mannequin so that we'll see how it's looking. Alright, so this is it on mannequin right here. As you can see, this is it on the mannequin. You can see how it's looking. Very standard. Alright, so if you like this, you place an order, okay, and it will be delivered to you. Alright, thank you.